You can expect a lot from the 2011 Ford F-250. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, and more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.